Torres Strait Air is a charter company, and we are quite small. We've got 4 aircraft and 3 pilots, and we operate in a very small geographic area. We operate from Horn Island and visit all the populated islands in the region. We've got provision to operate under Appendix 4, Air Transport Single Pilot Operations, and then we've got Appendix 5 for several airwork functions. We've taken the risk assessment from the back of the cap, and instead of it being quite difficult to interpret, adding up numbers and taking off numbers, we've developed an Excel spreadsheet where you answer the questions that are asked in the cap and it returns one result, low, medium or high risk. Built into the operations manual is that if there is a suspected or a confirmed fatigue issue, the pilot, or if there is indeed a breach of duty limits or flight limits, at the end of duty the pilot is to complete the risk assessment, and if it results in a high risk, then he's required to complete a risk occurrence form, which is also modelled from the cap. So part of the legislation is to look ahead at your roster, not just record post-flight. So we try to stay at least 7 days ahead on our roster and plug in the flights that the guys are assigned to. Nearly 12 months into our operation now, and things have bedded well. We've just had our first CASA audit. Flying ops came up squeaky clean, including flight and duty limits, so we're quite pleased with that.